Henry Ford is a young man. He lives in America. He is curious. He likes to learn. Henry loves machines. He watches how things move. He listens to engine sounds. He touches metal parts. When Henry is young, he works with engines. He fixes small machines. He repairs broken parts. People see him working. They say he is different. He thinks differently. Henry wants to help people. He looks at the streets. He sees horses and carts. Cars exist. But cars are very expensive. Cars are only for rich people. Poor people cannot buy cars. Families walk long distances. Life is slow for many people. Henry thinks deeply. He asks himself questions. Why are cars so expensive? Why can only rich people drive? Henry has an idea. It is a simple idea. He wants cheap cars. He wants strong cars. He wants cars for everyone who dreams big. But people laugh. They say, cars cannot be cheap. This is impossible. Henry does not listen. He starts his first company. He works day and night. But the company fails. He starts another company. It fails again. Henry loses money. He feels sad. He feels tired. People tell him to stop. They say, give up. Henry feels pain. But he does not quit. Via believes in his idea. He believes in people. Henry tries again. This time, he thinks differently. He creates a new system. He changes how cars are made. Workers do not build one full car. Each worker does one small job. Cars move on a long line. This line moves slowly. Workers build cars faster. Work becomes easier. Time is saved. Money is saved. Cars cost less money now. Many people can buy cars. Workers buy cars. Families buy cars. A car is called Model T. People love it. They buy it everywhere. Henry Ford's company grows fast. Factories grow bigger. Henry becomes successful. But he thinks about workers too. Workers earn better salaries. They work fewer hours. Families are happier. People travel easily. They visit family. They visit friends. Life becomes simpler. Life becomes faster. Henry Ford changes history. He starts with one simple idea. Moral. A simple idea can change the world.